òun lélẹ̀ nǹkan tó send sí mi lélẹ̀ ọ̀tẹ́ni ẹ send sí mi, let me show you guys. Ẹ má bínú ẹjọ́. So this is what Dayo Amusa posted on her page. Congratulations Adufe, oríire náà bá wa kalẹ̀, much love darling. Òun lélẹ̀ nǹkan tí Dayo Amusa post lélẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n lọ gbé chat èmi àti ẹ wá.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, arábìnrin yìí tí a mọ̀ sí Lizzy Anjorin ó gbé gbogbo evidence tí ó ní síta nígbà tí ọ̀rọ̀ òun pẹ̀lú Dayo Amusa tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ nígbà tí Dayo Amusa bímọ. Gbogbo evidence jáde wípé òun wíṣì congratulation ní ìgbà náà lọ́hùn. ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, kí ló ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí? ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ̀síwájú.
Má fi hàn yẹn máa wò ṣé wàá bá mi gbé kinní sí orí ìbọn mi ṣáà ó dùn. This is what she posted. Congratulations Adufe, oríire náà bá wa kalẹ̀. She was the one that posted it. So the person that sent it to me was pissed off. Hello? Dayo Amusa. So ẹ jẹ́ kí n yọ ẹ wò here ṣe pé gbà tí mo ṣèyàwó kò congratulate mi, nígbà tí mo bímọ kò congratulate mi, nígbà tí mo kọ́lé kò congratulate mi. Ẹ rí pé gbogbo nǹkan rí ayọ̀ tí mo ṣe láyé mi, ẹ rí pé kò congratulate mi. Tẹ́ bá rántí 2021 ló lọ rẹ́rìn sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀sà board. 2021 ló lọ rẹ́rìn sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀sà board nígbà tí ẹ̀sà board ń ṣọdún ìpè fáwọn ọmọ ara ẹ̀. But mo mọ game tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó máa ń gbá pẹ̀lú gbogbo wọn ní 20 November 2024 kí lẹ́rìí tí mo ṣe. Ṣe rí pé ministry kò congratulate mi rí ever because mo mọ̀ pọ́n máa fẹ́ gbá game 2019. Ṣe rí congratulations Adufe. She posted this and that's why I'm showing you. Only I'm honored. Money, any party for naming or we meet at the first birthday of our sweet baby. Let me know how we can appreciate the arrival of our Prince Charming. Only naming is on Monday. Money okay there. Adufe, ọmọ mi ńkọ́, just checking actually. I was just to check on you and our Prince Charming. I will stop by on Sunday to check on our Prince Chetiri. You said I do lead people to Esabod platform. Sharing got to so straight up. Sharing got to so. This is who they are. This is how they operate. This is what they've done to a lot of innocent people. Only you said I do lead people to Esabod platform to drag you when you had your child. When was that? How are you? Good evening. I'm doing something. Shengbo, only when was that? I hope you saw it. I hope you saw what I posted yesterday. Only have you ever seen or heard about me involving or associating myself in all you guys media fracas? Jerry, Eddie, Money, are you sure you listening to the video? Dayo, are you the one doing live video with Esabod? You surely commented on Esabod page when she bully Eric nǹkan tó kàn bí mo kò avoid it. Money, you surely commented on Esabod page when she bullying me and family. But that was then. This is 2024. But you never had live video with her. So why would you put another person's identity on yourself, Shetiri? This is what they've done to a lot of people. So she sent me audio. mi tí fẹ́ play ẹ̀ nísìn mo máa padà wá. ẹ rí pé mi ò go into details tí n bá ti ń gégùn fún wọn ìwọ lọ gbé orí ara ẹ̀ sí tó bá ti rí mi tí mò ń ṣẹ́ ìpè léraléra ìwọ sọ pé wá sáyé wá gbèjà èèyàn.